Grand Theft Auto 5 PC cheats. Unlock hidden features. Grand Theft Auto 5, the iconic open-world game, offers an unparalleled level of freedom and excitement. If you're looking for ways to take your experience to new heights, then we've got you covered with our collection of PC cheat codes. These GTA cheat codes will unlock the door to infinite possibilities, allowing you to manipulate the game world, unlock hidden features, and reveal gameplay chaos like never before. Here are some GTA 5 PC cheat codes. Painkiller. Become invincible for 5 minutes. Tool up. Get all weapons. Turtle. Full health and armor. Power up. Recharge special ability. Catch me. Fast run. Got gills. Fast swim. Hop to it. Jump higher. Fugitive. Raise wanted level. Lawyer up. Reduce wanted level. Deadeye. Expert aim. Hot hands. Exploding punch. High X. Exploding bullets. Incendiary. Flaming bullets. Liquor. Make your character drunk. Skydive. Get a parachute. Skyfall. Fall from the sky without parachute. Make it rain. Change weather conditions to overcast. Snow day. Slippery cars. Floater. Activate low gravity. Slow-mo. Slow motion gameplay. JR talent. Play as any NPC in GTA 5. Here are some vehicle spawn cheats. Trashed. Spawn a garbage truck. Barnstorm. Spawn a stunt plane. Bandit. Spawn a BMX bicycle. Buzz off. Spawn an armed helicopter. Fly spray. Spawn a crop duster plane. Hole in one. Spawn a golf cart. Comet. Spawn a sports car. Rapid GT. Spawn a different sports car. Wine wood. Spawn a limousine. Rocket. Spawn a motorcycle. Off-road. Spawn a dirt bike. Now Gat Insider has a step-by-step guide on how to enter GTA 5 PC cheats. First, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 on your PC. Press the escape key to pause the game. Press the tilde key to open the cheat console. This key is usually located below the escape key. Type the desired cheat code using your keyboard. Make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears, including any capital letters or symbols. Press the Enter key to activate the cheat code. If the cheat code's entered correctly, a confirmation message will appear on the screen.